guys, it's SuReallyB here, and I'm back! I took a little break, don't know if you guys saw it. I even made a little post on the community tab. Yes, we now have a community tab. So I had this Spooktober project that I would be posting on Halloween, but then I proceeded to spend October like this, and then I spent November like this, and December like this. Needless to say, I didn't finish the game in time, but I still wanted to finish it, because I had done all of these cats and already created their stories. It would be a shame to just let go of them. So, keeping the spooky decorations up, let's talk about Spooky Alley. Spooky Alley is the name I decided to give the game since the main character is named Spooky, and the story happens in a small town that is called Spooky Alley. I am very creative, thank you. So, I decided to create this Halloween village with its many nooks and crannies, where you can find other monster cats and many monster rats. Once you arrive at the town, you find out that your grandpa has gone missing, and the main suspect is Mr. Raton, this powerful rat that controls the entire town. Now you have to defeat Mr. Raton in order to get your grandfather back. To defeat this very powerful rat, you must befriend the monster cats of the town to ask them to join your party. And instead of going straight to the top, you actually have to weaken Mr. Raton by going for his allies first. This is the basics of it for now. As you can see, the art style for the dungeon is a bit different from the art style from the city. This is because it would be easier to construct an entire town using this more minimalistic art style, and I believe it gives a unique look to the city. For now, the areas of the town is just the downtown area where you find Mr. Raton's Grand Hotel, and also the alleyway where your grandpa had his cardboard tower. There's also the industrial complex, and a rich neighborhood filled with mansions, as well as the cemetery because this is indeed spooky, and the farmland and the woods. I'm still building all of these parts, but I'm sure there will be a lot to explore on each of these neighborhoods. And as for the release date, I had to make a choice between giving up on a lot of the game in order to finish it in time, or keep going with the idea and finish it how I'd like it to be finished. Right now, I have chosen the latter, so I'll keep going on with the game and maybe posting some update devlogs, but I won't set a deadline this time, nor will I have a schedule for the devlogs. This way I can continue to post the tutorials and other videos I'd like to post, and keep on working with this game. Thank you so much for watching, until next time, bye!